Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look with one of the palettes from the Jaclyn Hill Vault, and it's called Ring the Alarm, and it's going to look like this. I'm going to be doing a cut crease look, so here we go. Hey guys, so this is the final look that I came up with, and I really like the way it turned out. I hope you guys do. And I'm going to go over some of the products that I used. I know I showed them during the video, but it might be better if I explained it. So I did use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette called Ring the Alarm. These are the colors right here. I really like these colors because they're pretty. I also used the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I also used the Maybelline eyeliner for my waterline. I used the Caution mascara by Hourglass, and also for that, the Alley Crown false lashes that I used from Amazon. They're like $8. Now for the cut crease, I used ColourPop concealer. This is the Fair 02 color because I am pretty white. Yeah, I'm kind of like pasty white. And then also the Kiss Strip lash adhesive right here. Also Amazon for like $5. I also used for my brows the Benefit pencil. This is $24. I bought it from Sephora. I don't know all of the Sephoras carry them, but the one here near me did. So I really hope you guys like what I put out for you, and if you do like it, please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more things like this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.